You probably don't have the budget to invest in email marketing software, but there are two ways you can send mass emails, also known as bulk emails, with Gmail. We'll check out the two different ways. The first is with WriteInbox, and the second uses the BCC method. Let's start with WriteInbox MailMerge method for sending mass emails. Firstly, you'll need to download WriteInbox from the Google Chrome store. It's really easy. All you do is click Install, and then you'll be taken to your Gmail account for the next steps. WriteInbox offers some cool free features, but the mass email option is part of the paid plan, which starts from as little as $5.95 per month. Click the MailMerge icon on the left of your window. Click Create Campaign. You can upload a CSV file or add recipients manually. To add a CSV, you simply select the CSV to import from your computer, then you upload the CSV. There's also a sample CSV available for download to show you how the CSV should be formatted. If you want to add recipients manually and not with CSV, here's how. Add email addresses and names in the labeled boxes. Click Create Sequence. Add a subject line. Then add the message you want to send. You can also choose from preloaded email sequences you've used in the past with a drop-down menu. You can also send one or more follow-up messages and choose when the messages will be sent. Click Confirm and Launch. Here you'll set the dates and times, enable tracking, and set your send rate. Click Start MailMerge and you're all set. The big advantage with MailMerge over the BCC method is that you can personalize each individual email and add relevant information, something you can't do with the BCC method. Here's how the BCC method works. Click the Compose button. Select BCC in the To field. Add all the email addresses. Be sure to separate each with a comma. Add your subject line and copy, and click Send. You probably noticed that you can't personalize each email like you can with the WriteInbox MailMerge method. WriteInbox saves you time on repetitive tasks and lets you send more emails in less time consistently. Track emails, automate email follow-ups, and send emails later with WriteInbox. Download WriteInbox free from the Chrome store today.